welcome to your last workout of this series. Today we'll be training glutes and utilizing our banded exercise to really target your booty. We're going to warm up with bear and monster walks and then do some banded clams just to warm up the muscles to prevent injury. We're starting with our heavy compound movements. We're going to start with wide leg press, and this is going to target and hit those outer glutes to help build the overall fullness of your glutes. Next, you'll use your band and put it just below your knee joint while doing your body weight squats. To make this harder, you can pick up a weight, making sure you're sinking back into those heels to really make sure you're targeting those glutes. Superset number 2 is going to be your banded kickback series. This is going to help you work all angles of your glutes and really help give that fullness to it. Superset number 3 is going to be your medium weight hip thrust, supersetted with your single leg deadlift. This is a great way to correct muscle imbalances and target your glutes and hamstring tie-ins. So pick a medium weight and get on those hip thrusts. Lastly, you're going to do your banded body weight squats until failure. This is going to help burn out those glutes, make sure there's nothing left in that tank, using your band around and just below your knees. Alright guys, all you're left with is your abs. Thank you so much for doing this with me. I hope you guys love your booty transformations, and follow me on Instagram for more updates on more ebooks just like this one.